We're gonna finally get to make some soap. Yes. We can edit out this fun little bit where I can't get the glove into my little Dexter's Laboratory moment. Put on our protective goggles. Can you smell that? Okay, hold for airplane. No, that's not right. There's a word for that. We're letting our lye cool down. After this phase, it's time to combine our ingredients and do some saponification. And we track our temperatures with our laser thermometer. Oh my God, it's so hot. I'm gonna take these gloves off. They're like mittens, basically. Fabric inside. So let's talk about cutting. Let's talk about curing. So let's talk about curing and cutting your soap. So let's go back to making soap. Let's finish this, let's wrap this up. Oh my God, is that a cool breeze? Woo. It's always fun to see the first bar come out so you can check out your inside. Is that what I want to say at the end? Thank you for your attention. Thank you for, do I have to thank them? Yeah. We made soap. Oh my God. Hopefully we'll find something good in there.